This is the cabinet here. Everything down below here, this is going out to the field. This is going everywhere in the school.
No rest for facility staff during the past spring break. Our NLPS team was working diligently to ensure much-needed projects were proceeding as scheduled, with many done just in time for our returning students. Not to mention giving our schools a good spring cleaning. Some of the major projects included before and after daycare builds, millwork and cabinetry in the carpenter shop, waterlines and vanities installed, kindergarten washroom renovation, interior painting, data infrastructure like updates to our Wi-Fi. Woohoo! Stay tuned, coming to a school near you.
Then above it here is called as a switch. It's being patched from here, goes into a specific port here, and that's what feeds internet to a specific port.
Put your hands together as we applaud our facilities staff.